on behalf of the government and these very respected elders, the actual face of Rivers State, wish you a happy birthday. Today is a very special day. Special because the day of everyone's birth is a very significant day in their lives. For those of us who read too much cosmic book, I mean, today is a very special day that gave birth to a special person. Maybe it's not the right place to say this, but I don't think it's also wrong to mention a few things. I think you're a very rare person. True. Even in the midst of your splendor, we're not even talking about the inherited one, even the one that you worked hard for yourself. You have shown humility that is more than my own. No wonder whoever crosses your path always have very positive things to say. I want to wish you good health, more blessing. You know, David was blessed so much that even in his old age, he was still receiving a lot of honors. So I want the blessings of God that added no sorrow to continue to be your portion, you and your family. As we join to mark this day with you, I want you to know that we appreciate your support for us. It takes a man who has integrity, not the one that will hear when people are talking publicly, but the real one, to stand on the path of truth. And you have shown it in this state. We appreciate that. We want to also assure you that we'll continue to work with you, to support you, to make sure that in this state together, we will get to that promised land. To the family that is marking his birthday, you also live a good life with reputation, so that people will also make reference, just like they make to that of his father, to that of his own children. That is my message to you. But I know you're not going to disappoint your dad, because he has also brought you people, shown you the right way, shown humility and care. So make him proud. Thank you. Our leaders, let me at this point request everyone to raise their glasses and to wish our celebrant a happy birthday. Hip 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 hip. Hooray! Hip hip hip. Hooray! John is a fellow, and he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. And so to see all of us. Hooray! For he hostess all of us. Hooray! And so says all of us. He's a jolly good fellow, oh, he's a jolly good fellow, oh, he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. Happy birthday, sir.
5.